Hello friends, I am Sarika teacher and we are going to start from today series of rainy season drawing because rainy season is most beautiful season in the world. First let us start the drawing for junior senior kg. First making of the oval for the faces. Then the raincoats. We are going to show brother and sister enjoying the rain. Their rainy season shoots or sandals. All the children likes to play in the rain and so their mothers are giving them beautiful raincoats. Many designs are there on the raincoats. This is butterfly. Let us show their happy faces. Small children love to float boats in water. All over greenery. In puddles they are floating the boats. In rainy season we should not go near big flowing waters like rivers, bushes, trees, clouds. In the end, heavy rain, raindrops we can show like this, like fill in the blanks. Brush pens are easy to use for smaller kids, so I am showing first brush pens. Brush pens are easy to use for smaller kids, so let us use brush pens. Yellow color. We should color always with one direction for smoother effect. Design with contrast colors. Use multicolors to make your drawing more beautiful. You can use your favorite different colors. We can show like these strokes to create grass effect. In the bushes, some strokes with light green and some strokes with dark green. Let us take light green and dark green pens together and scribble it to show the tree effect. Color the paper boards with different colors. Use skin color for coloring the face, hands and the legs. Color the clouds with grey color. In the sky lightly you have to color. Apply ochre yellow color for showing muddy water. Some brown strokes like this to show the flowing water. Brown color pen we have to use in the tree trunk, branches of tree, eyes with black pen, lips with red color, outline we can create like this for all our drawing. Now the raindrops. And see, our rainy season drawing for Junior Senior KG is ready now. Parents should teach their kids more enthusiastically to create interest for drawing among them. Thank you very much for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe.